Spelling of coming. Coming is spelled as Coming. It has two syllables, come and ing. Okay, let me help you to remember the spelling of this word. The word coming follows standard English spelling rules. Here is a breakdown of its spelling. Look, base word is come. From come we get coming, and our suffix is ing. When adding the suffix ing to a verb, the verb ends with a if the verb ends with a silent e, the e is typically dropped before adding ing. So look, for come, e is silent, so we need to drop it and we need to add ing. Remove the e, so we are getting come, cum, come, and adding ing, coming. So the correct spelling is coming, coming. Make sure not to double the m or keep the e. Okay. So let me explain it elaborately. The base verb is come, which ends with a silent e. In English, a silent e at the end of a word often makes the preceding vowel long. That is o here. In this case, but in the word of come, the o in come is pronounced as a long vowel sound. Come. Okay. Adding ing to verbs. The suffix ing is added to verbs to form present participle. For example, I am coming or Jiran. Coming home is nice. When adding ing to a verb, there are specific rules depending on how the verb ends. Dropping the silent e. If verb ends with a silent e like come, the e is dropped. The e is dropped before adding ing. The rule applies to many verbs such as write. Here e is silent, so writing. Dance, dancing. Hop, hopping. Similarly for come, e is silent, so drop the e. So we are getting come, then coming. Why not double the m? Doubling consonant like m here only happens when the verb ends with a single vowel followed by a single consonant. The verb ends with a single vowel followed by a single consonant. This is a consonant, and before consonant there is a vowel. Okay, so if you want to add ing, so you need to double the n. The verb ends with a single vowel followed by a single consonant. At the end, we are getting consonant. The verb has a short vowel sound before the consonant. Before this consonant, this is pronounced as run, short vowel sound. In the come, o is long vowel sound, so m is not double. Here is the cause. Common mistake, incorrect, common, not, please don't double the m. Doubling the m is unnecessary and incorrect. Coming, here we are keeping e, which is incorrect. Silent letter should be dropped out. Summary of the rules applied to coming. Start with the base verb come, drop the e, add ing, don't double m, and result is coming.